Jamie, so today you're gonna get unready with me. The first thing I like to do is to tie my hair back because I don't want anything to get in the way of my cleansing routine. The next thing I do is strip off all my makeup, and I'm going to use the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This is kind of a pricey product, but I really invested in it and I absolutely love it. It's very effective in taking away all those hard to take off stains from your makeup. Take note that this product is oil-based, so if you have eyelash extensions, then this is a no-no to use. I do have a couple of alternative recommendations in mind, so if you want to know more about it, then just check the description box down below. After a good minute or two, I then rinse off the balm from my face. I always double cleanse, so now I'm going to take my Fish Gel Daily Moisture Therapy Cleanser. This cleanser doesn't really bubble that much, but it is very ideal for people who have sensitive skin. After that, I'm gonna go to my bedroom and I'm going to tone my face with the Avalon Organics CoQ10 Repair Perfecting Facial Toner. So this product is anti-aging, and of course I don't see the effects just yet, but I think I'm gonna find out in my 40s. But I think it's always best to start early with your anti-aging products. And 3 times a week, I like to use the CosRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. This is a chemical peel that takes out all the nasty whiteheads and blackheads in your face. No strips aren't really that effective for me, so this is a more ideal product to use. I'm just gonna let it dry, so while I'm doing that, I'm checking social media. Then I'm going to moisturize my face with the Dear Hydration Boosting Cream by Banila Co. This is a really good product if you guys want to try the glass-like skin trend in Korean skincare. So I think that this product really hydrates your face, but I would definitely recommend just using it at night because it is a little bit heavy. And since I'm done with my face, I will not forget to moisturize my lips. I love to use the Body Shop's Vitamin E Lip Care Lip Balm. So this is the most effective lip balm I've ever tried. It's a lot better than the Carmex or Burt's Bees, and it is pricey, but it is so worth it. Then I'm just going to comb my hair to distribute the natural oils on my scalp. And then I'm going to apply a lash serum on my lashes because my lashes kind of got a little bit short after the eyelash extensions. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's good night. See you guys next time.